What's up everybody, Mike here. In this video, I'm going to show you 8 must-know jazz blues voicings that are going to spice up your playing and make your chords sound a little bit beefier and a little bit cooler. First thing to do is to make sure you like, comment, and subscribe on this video. It really goes a super long way, and I really appreciate it. Let's jump in. So the first chord that I want to show you is a major 7 chord with our root on our low E string. First, we're going to start off with our pointer finger on the 5th fret of the E string. That's an A right there, so this chord is going to be based off of an A. We're going to go 5. We're going to skip the A string, go to the 6th fret with our ring finger. Under that, we're going to put our 6th fret with our pinky finger on the G string. And then 5th fret on our B string with our middle finger. So we should have something that sounds a little bit like this. Again, 5, 6, 6, 5, skipping the E string. A major 7. Chord number 2, we're going to use an A minor 7 right there. We're going to take that same chord shape and just make it minor. So this one's actually pretty easy. We're going to keep that root on our low E string, A, right there. We're going to play 5, 5, 5 on the D, G, and B string. And it's going to sound like this. What I'm doing right here is I'm playing the root with my middle finger, 5th fret on our E string, skipping the A string again, and then barring with my ring finger the D, G, and B strings with my ring finger. So the next chord is going to be a dominant 7 chord. It's going to be the 5th fret on our low E string. We're going to skip the A string. We're going to go right to the 5th fret on the G string, 6th fret on the G string. Now you can stop right there. Still get the dominant 7 sound. You can also add this high E right here, 5th fret on our B string, and get this sound right here. I'm going pointer, middle, pinky, ring. 5, skip, 5, 6, 5. Dominant 7. If you like what you see so far, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, I have a blues course out there. I'll put it in the description below. You can check out. Let's keep trucking. Okay, chord number 4. We're going to use a D minor 7 here. Our root is going to be on our A string, and we're going to play the D on the 5th fret of our A string. So we'll take our middle finger here. We're going to put it on the 5th fret of our A string, 3rd fret of our D string, it's a pointer finger, ring finger underneath the middle on the 5th fret of the G, and then 6th fret on our B string, maybe D minor 7. Next chord I'm going to show you is a D minor 7, but in a bar chord formation. Probably seen this one, but it's still pretty important to learn inside of like a jazz context or like a blues context. Right there, so we got basically barring the 5th fret all the way down from the A string down to the high E. 5, 7, 5, 6, 5. D minor 7 in bar chord form. The 6th chord that we're going to look at now is a D major 9 chord. We're going to take our middle finger, put it on the 5th fret of the A string. Our pointer finger is going to go on the 4th fret of the D string. Our pinky finger is going to go on the 6th fret of the G string. And then our ring finger is going to go on the 5th fret of our B string. It's going to sound like that. And what makes this a D major 9 chord, or D major 7 with a 9, is the high E, the 5th fret on our B string. If I play those two notes if I play the root and the 5th fret on the B string together, it's kind of a clash. D is next to E, which gives it a little bit more tension than normal. So D major 9. Chord number 7, D major 7, but in bar chord formation. Sounds like this. Get same thing, a D on our A string, 5th fret on our A string, 7, 6, 7, then 5. 5, 7, 6, 7, 5. So our 8th and final chord is going to be a D9 chord, or a D dominant 7 with a 9. It kind of follows the same idea as the D major 9 with these two notes, but with a completely different shape and tonality. What we're going to do is to take our 5th fret on our A string, 4th fret on our D, tuck our ring finger underneath that on the 5th fret of our G string. And our pinky finger is going to end up back on that E, 5th fret on our B string. 8 really, really cool chords to color up your playing. If you like what you see, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe as always. And thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed.